from Los Angeles Party Planning. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a piñata. If you didn't know, April 18th is National Piñata Day, so we're going to make a traditional Mexican piñata. So we have some supplies here that you probably have laying around. We thought it would be a very fun project to do with your family and friends, maybe even for their birthdays if they're coming up around this time. So all you need is a balloon, some flour, water, mixing bowl, and newspaper, and some cardstock with a printable that you might find online later if you need this to do the cones of the piñata, some tape, stapler, an X-Acto knife, or you can just do fine with the scissors, some glue, some string to hold the piñata, a glue stick, a glue gun, and we're also going to be showing you how to make the 3 different strips for the piñata. Step 1, blow your balloon. And tie your balloon. Then we're going to make the paste, so you're going to add some water to the bowl, some flour. You can either mix with your hands or you can use a paintbrush. You can just start making strips. For the purpose of this video, I already made some strips, so they're over here. And so we're going to start putting the strips onto the balloon. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can either put the paste on the balloon and the strips on top. Or you can dip your strips into your bowl and place it on top. It's just a little messier like that. So I just finished layering the balloon with the strips. So just to keep in mind that you're going to cover the whole balloon, not leave any empty spots. So just make sure, like this balloon's green, so make sure you don't see any green spots. And you're gonna do this process about 3 to 4 times. Hopefully that's it. For the purpose of this video, we already made a balloon the other day. So I'm gonna just place this down here and get the balloon that we pre-made. So once it's sturdy enough, you're going to use your X-Acto or some scissors or just anything sharp, and you're just going to cut a hole so that you can string your string through the holes. The balloon's still there from earlier, and you're just going to, you can tie that to whatever length you want. Now we're going to be making the cones for the piñata. You're going to need cardstock. Maybe you can go print this out right now. We have a printable. If you need one to help you with the cones, you're going to fold and cut along the dotted lines here. So you're just going to cut along the line. Side, and you can staple it. And voila, we have our cone, and we're going to be placing these onto our piñata. So what you can do is you can hot glue it. Additional support, you can use tape. This might be enough, or you can use duct tape. It's up to you. You don't need to glue it either. You can just tape it. It is a piñata. With our tissue paper, and we're going to cut this off here, and the strips are going to go inside here. So just get one of your strips and you're going to pleat it. Like an accordion, and we're going to just stick these in here. Use your scissors to stick that in too. Okay, and I'm going to do the rest for these. You can now stick them into the holes that you have pre-made. I'm going to pick some fun colors together. Let's see. The strips to the piñata. As you can see, you can get as creative as you want. It's not perfect, but it's still going to look very beautiful. So now we're going to add some tissue paper to cover the cones. So for the cones, we're going to need some squares. So let's cut here. Wrap them here. Doesn't have to be perfect, like we said. I'm just going, oh, I should show you so we can see. One of them is going to be here, and then you can glue it. Can't see how that looks on that side. While I was wrapping the cones, I noticed it's a lot easier if you just fold your square into a triangle and just wrap it around and glue it like that. Just makes it much neater. Now we've covered up all of the cones. We're going to finish the base. This is what you do. You fold, you're going to pleat again. Move that out of the way. You're going to pleat again. See, you can cut this side off. One more time, but this time we're pleating this way. Now we're going to just cut around a circle, or half circle. So we have our pre-cut strips, and And all you're going to do is roll the strip, kind of like if you were making a flower. So you just roll it. And then you can just put some glue on the bottom and stick it on your piñata. And if it's not staying, you can just add some more glue. And you're just going to do that all throughout the piñata. Mexican piñata. Hope you had lots of fun doing this with us. We will be posting lots of new tutorials on our new blog page. Please check us out, lapartyplanning.com. If you have any requests, let us know and we'll try to get those tutorials to you. We'd love to see your piñatas. Please send those to us and hope you had lots of fun.